record this one also. So if an ellipse is there, तो अगर एक ellipse है उसे मैं incline करता हूँ, इस ellipse को incline करता हूँ तो मुझे क्या मिल सकता है? I'll be finding a circle out of it when it is
Circle.
becoming inclined. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
when this circular plate is being inclined to HP, we'll be finding ellipse. When an elliptical plate is becoming inclined to HP, we are finding a circle. In similar manner, if I am having a rhombus over here, and if that rhombus becomes inclined to horizontal plane, I'll be finding a square. Is it clear? If rhombus is there, if it becomes inclined to HP, I'll be finding a square, but this square is somewhat different than the condition what we had seen. Is it clear? So, for the first problem, what I have configured over here, the statement is going to be like this. A circular plate is resting on HP. It is having diameter equal to X number. It is being inclined to horizontal plane such that its minor axis is going to be some number. Okay, let me express it with the number. A circular plate is resting on HP. It is having diameter of about 60 mm. And when it becomes inclined to HP, it becomes inclined to HP such that its minor axis becomes 40 mm. It is being inclined to HP such that its minor axis, this is the minor axis, is becoming 40 mm and is inclined to vertical plane by 45 degrees. Draw its projections. This is going to be the problem statement. Now here you have to keep in mind that the line available over here is going to be the major axis. This line over here is going to be major axis and this line over here is going to be minor axis. I hope you are understanding this terminology. Barabar? Now let me discuss about the second problem. Let me ask. Problem statement 2 which can be available is an elliptical plate is resting on HP. It is having major axis about 70 mm and minor axis about 30 mm. It is having major axis 70 mm, minor axis 30 mm. Elliptical plate becomes inclined to HP such that it forms a circle. So obviously this circle's dimension is going to be with the diameter 30 mm because we will be finding decrement in length. We cannot find decrement in width. ये जो minor axis है वो change नहीं होगा, major axis है वो कम हो जाएगा. So we'll be finding a 30 mm diameter circle over here, and it is inclined to vertical plane by 45 degrees. So we'll be having condition over here which frames the 45 degrees angle also. So this is the criteria. Now how to draft this kind of problem? Let me discuss that. So the problem statement suggests that a circular plate is resting on HP and it becomes inclined to HP such that minor axis length is equal to 40 mm such that it develops an ellipse having minor axis length of 40 mm and it is inclined to VP by 45 degrees. Phi is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, now we should move ahead. So first we are drafting an axis over here. you need to make sure that the space is available, enough space is available at the bottom, okay, so that the draft does not create an issue when you develop it. So I'll be going for a reference over here. I'll be drafting a vertical line to take a reference. I'll be getting the position for 3 mm, 3 centimeters over here, and from that 3 centimeters I'll be drafting a circle of 60 mm diameter. So you can take you can draft a circle over here which is having radius of about 15 the 30 mm, 3 centimeters. So this is the 6 centimeter diameter or 60 mm diameter circle. I hope you are able to see it. Okay, now I'll be splitting this circle in 12 parts. This is the basic exercise what we had done earlier also. I'll be drafting arc marks over here. These are the basic divisions available. I'll be framing other divisions also. So from this position I'll be drafting another arcs. If you are comfortable in 8 positions on a circle, then you should go for 8 position also. So this is a circular plate which is having diameter of about 60 mm. So whenever we draft any component, we should be noting its positions or points also. So this is going to be A, B, C, this is going to be D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. These are the positions of the circular plate. Now I'll be transferring its projections in the view. So this is the central component D and J. I'll be offering I and E over here. I'll be noting F and H over here, G over here. And in similar manner, if I move on the other side, I'll be having positions C and K. I'll be having position B and L. I'll be having position A. So here we are having A dash, B dash, L dash, C dash, K dash, D dash, J dash, E dash, I dash, F dash, H dash and G dash. These are the points. Okay, now we can take a position over here and we'll be drafting the one of the base line. On this line we are going to have position A. यहाँ पे हमें A position मिल जाएगा. Now we are aware that minor axis is having length of about 40 mm. So what I am going to do, I am going to draft a line which is having length of about 40 mm over here, and at its end point I'll be designating G point. This is the G. Previously it was at 60 mm distance, now it is at 40 mm distance. And we are aware that the major axis is going to be at 20 mm. ये हमें पता ही है. So I'll be drafting a 20 mm position and I'll be transferring this position over here. I'll be drafting another line passing through G. Now my task is to transfer each point on this reference. So for that I'm initially just transferring those points, then I'll be finding its vertical intersection region also. So these are the positions what I had transferred. और इन पोजीशंस को ट्रांसफर करके मुझे वर्टिकल ट्रेस में भी पोजीशंस चाहिए, तो वो मुझे गेन करना होगा. कहाँ से मिलेगा? आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग इट लेटर ऑन. द जी पॉइंट्स प्रोजेक्शंस इज गोइंग टू बी लिफ्टेड इन द फ्रंट व्यू. जी से जो निकल रहा है पोजीशन उसे हम ऊपर तक ले जाते हैं. अब मैं क्या करूँगा? आई विल बी टेकिंग आर्क लेंथ फ्रॉम ए डैश टू जी डैश. ए डैश से जी डैश जितना आर्क लेंथ ले रहा हूँ, देखिए यहाँ पे ये जो ए जी है उतना ही मुझे ए डैश जी डैश मिलने वाला है. आई विल बी कंसिडरिंग दिस पॉइंट एज ए डैश and I'll be drafting an arc from here, from A dash up to the line of G, which is extended, and I'll be connecting that one. इस arc को मैं connect कर देता हूँ. I'll be measuring this angle, and we'll be saying that when the circular plate is inclined at theta degrees, this degrees, we are going to have minor axis of an elliptical component, elliptical view available in top view, having minor axis length of about 40 mm. हमें 40 mm कब मिलेगा minor axis length? जब ये circular plate इतना incline होगा तब. How we have found that inclination? By transferring the length projection over here. How we have found it? We had kept AG as 40 mm, we had extended G, and we had transferred the length in the view, and we have found that theta. How much theta is there? Let me measure it. That theta is about 45 degrees, between 45 to 50, so we can consider 47 degrees right now. So it is about 47 degrees. अब हमें बाकी के पॉइंट पोजीशंस को यहाँ पे इंडिकेट करना कैसे करेंगे? बहुत ही सिंपल सा टास्क है. यू शुड बी डूइंग इट बाय डिफरेंट मेथड्स. उसमें से एक मेथड ऐसा है जिससे आप यहाँ से पूरे पॉइंट्स को ट्रांसफर कर लीजिए, बट इन दिस केस यू आर नॉट एबल टू गेट दी बी. देखिए ये जो है कंपस, वो आपको बी पोजीशन गेन नहीं करने देता. यू डायरेक्टली हैव टू गो फॉर इधर सी एंड अदर पॉइंट्स. तो ये बी पॉइंट भी अगर गेन करना हो तो कैसे कर सकते हैं? बहुत ही सिंपल सा फंडामेंटल है उसके लिए. यू शुड टेक अ रेफरेंस पेज. एक पेज ले लीजिए. इट मे बी योर एग्जाम पेपर और समथिंग. ये फर्स्ट पोजीशन, सेकंड पोजीशन, थर्ड पोजीशन, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ एंड सेवन पोजीशंस आर देयर. I'll be transferring those 7 positions over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. हो गया 7 positions total. So over here I'll be going to have B dash L dash. Over here I'll be going to have C dash K dash. Over here I'll be going to have D dash J dash. Here A dash I dash. Here F dash H dash, and here we'll be finding G dash. और उन सारे point projections को नीचे ट्रांसफर कर लीजिए. You will be finding some intersection positions. It is just to complete the problem within time. You should not practice this kind of stuff for your regular practices, because it may happen that you may get wrong answers due to that. Now you have to find those positions. I am having A over here. When I'll be searching for B, it is going to be available over here. C is going to be available over here. D is going to be available over here. E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. And when I'll join them, I'll be finding an ellipse. So this is an elliptical figure, what we had been expecting for. Okay, you need to mention those points: B, C, then D, E, F and G, H, I, J, K, L will be over here, K will be over here, J would be over here, I would be over here, H would be over here. Okay, so this is going to be the profile. Now what is your next task? To transfer this at 45 degrees. So how you are going to transfer these at 45 degrees? You have to take a position over here, move somewhat away, mention 45 degrees, draft a line, be away from the position for larger scale, place the AG over here. We are aware that it is 40, so I'll be placing it over here at 40. I'll be mentioning 20 over here. यहाँ से एक perpendicular line draft कर लेंगे हम लोग. And now we